Hello, today I'm going to show you how to navigate my classroom website since it's a little bit different than the platform that I've used before. This is the landing page where you first see the website when you click on the link, and this is just a little information to get you started. This tells you that this is where you can find all of the information about my classes and the other things that I do at school. These are the courses that I teach. If you click on these buttons, you can go directly to the page for those classes. And this is where you can type in your information to send a message to me. It will go directly to my email. This little guy is a Twitter icon where you can link to my Twitter where I post about school and other information. Eventually I will have some blog posts down here, but I haven't created any at the moment. And then if you were wondering where my contact information was, it is always down here at the bottom of the page. So if we go back up to the top, you can see this is the menu bar, and it has each of my pages that I have for each of my different classes and a couple other things. So if you go to the About Me page, this is where you can find information about me. So this is a little bit about what I've done, where I went to school, where I went to college, what I do now, and my educational degrees and endorsements. If you hover over the More icon, you can see that I have 2 extra pages that don't show up on the menu. I have some educational resources. This is where this screencast will go. And then a few other links, and I will add links to this page when I get some additional links that I would like to share. I also run the school yearbook and the newspaper, and this is where you can find information about that. So for my classes, I'm only going to show you the English 3 Enriched because that's the one I have fully fleshed out right now. But the other classes will have similar pages to this page. So you can see I have resources on this page. We use Remind. This year we're going to use Schoology, and I have the link here if you click on the button. The novel study survey that we're going to use throughout the year as you're reading your independence novels. You can click on this button to access that. The syllabus, right now it is just the pacing guide from the district, but it will have more information as the fall gets closer. We're also going to use Flipgrid to do some responses in this class. Our Goodreads group discussion that hopefully you're accessing this summer. And then the summer assignment, you can click on this button and see the document if you have lost yours and need an additional copy. Down here is some information about my Goodreads account. This is our group for English 3 Enriched on Goodreads, which we don't have anything in there yet, but hopefully we will eventually. This is my read list, and that will update as I read new books over the summer. This is my to read bookshelf, so if you're looking for books to read and you want to see what books I want to read, you can look here. And then you can see that I've only read 16 out of 52 of the books that I want to read for this year so far. Again, I'll have blog posts here in the future. And then upcoming events. So this is going to be for major school events or major assignments that are due, like the research paper. Obviously, I have school starting here at the moment. so you can see major events that are coming up. And again, my contact information is at the bottom. The English 3 page is similar, but it's not as fleshed out at the moment. You'll see there are some holes. And then also with the Avid page. And the blog is blank. So hopefully that makes it easier for you to find what you need to find. And if you have any questions about where something is located on the site, feel free to contact me down at the bottom of this homepage.